This squeegee is an unexpected lifesaver. Avoid water smears on your glass surfaces by using the Huawei Squeegee. It works on mirrors, shower doors, and windows. Clear these surfaces in one fell swoop and start really seeing things clearly. It even sticks on your wall until the next time you need it. Amazon user Jenny reviewed, "I wanted a squeegee to remove water from our shower walls after we showered. Based on reviews, I chose this one and I'm very glad that I did." This product comes with a nice base with an adhesive back. I simply cleaned a square of tile in the shower with some rubbing alcohol, let it dry and stuck it to the wall. So far, so good. It looks very nice and I appreciate having the squeegee up and out of the way and yet within easy reach when it will be used. As for the efficiency of this product, again, I have no complaints. It removes water from the shower walls with great ease. After use, I wipe the rubber piece off with a dry towel and hang it neatly on its little bracket. Excellent product. This rubber broom picks up messes like a magnet. Dust can't hide anymore with the Pure Clean Duster. Dust can't hide anymore with the Pure Clean Duster. Hard to reach spots can finally be power cleaned. Stains are no longer impossible to remove. Mop your floors with adorable dog slippers. Mop your floors with adorable dog slippers. The iRobot Roomba will clean so you don't have to. The iRobot Roomba will clean so you don't have to. Microfiber towels are severely underrated. Microfiber towels are severely underrated. Clean Magic Eraser takes the elbow grease out of scrubbing. Clean Magic Eraser takes the elbow grease out of scrubbing. Phones can now be fully sanitized in a pod. Phones can now be fully sanitized in a pod.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.